look at what we got there. Got a 12-volt CXT Makita 2-piece combo kit. Let's dive inside and see what we got here. We'll pass up on all the marketing wink there on the side. Let's see what we got. Charger. This does 10.8 to 12 volt. Carry case. Let's get to the good stuff here. Little impact. See what we got for specs here. "12-volt, 0 to 3,500 impacts per minute." Damn. Got a little 12-volt, 1.5 amp hour battery. Not bad. This is the first cordless Makitas I've held. Let me stick this battery on the charger there. See what kind of juice we got. Alright, we've got a green light. Slide in from the top. And we got the charger going. Next we got the drill. 2 settings, 2 in the front, 1 in the back. Let's check out the specs on this. $450 in 1 and 1,700 in 2. 3/8. Clutch setting 12. There it goes up. 16, 18, and the last one. Got a little LED on the front, and it looks like the chuck. It is. It's one of the good ones. It's a Makita. Oh. All right. These might be for a giveaway. We'll let you guys know tomorrow night, 7:30 Eastern time, I am doing a live stream with Duct Tape Tech if everything goes right. If not, I'll still be doing one. So come on over to my channel and check it out. Catch you guys later. Thanks.